In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a woman named Elias. She was known for her kindness, her laughter that could light up the gloomiest days, and her unwavering curiosity about the world around her. Yet, despite her vibrant exterior, Elias felt a void within her, a longing for something deeper, something she couldn't quite articulate. It was during one particularly quiet evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, that she decided to embark on a journey to explore the essence of prayer. Elias had grown up in a household where prayer was a routine, a series of words recited at mealtimes and special occasions, but she had never truly understood its significance. She began her exploration by visiting the local library, where she stumbled upon a book by a revered spiritual master, a figure who had spent decades studying the nature of prayer across cultures and religions. The master spoke of prayer not just as a ritual, but as a profound conversation with the divine, a means to connect with something greater than oneself. Intrigued, Elias delved deeper into the text, which outlined various reasons for praying. Some prayed for guidance, others for gratitude, and many for solace in times of trouble. Each reason resonated with her in different ways, and she began to reflect on her own life. The loss of her grandmother had left a lingering ache in her heart, and she realized that perhaps prayer could serve as a bridge between her grief and the memories she cherished. As she read on, Elias discovered the different forms prayer could take. There were prayers of adoration, where one expressed love and reverence for the divine; prayers of confession, where one could seek forgiveness and release burdens; prayers of thanksgiving, celebrating the beauty of life; and prayers of supplication, asking for help in times of need. This revelation fascinated her. She could see how each type of prayer could serve a distinct purpose, allowing her to articulate her feelings and desires in a way that felt authentic. Determined to elevate her experience of prayer, Elias decided to set aside time each day to practice. She began with simple, heartfelt words, speaking into the silence of her room. At first it felt awkward, as if she were conversing with an unseen friend. But as days turned into weeks, a transformation began to take place. The more she prayed, the more she felt a sense of connection, as if the universe was listening, responding in subtle ways. She found herself feeling lighter, her burdens eased by the act of sharing her thoughts and emotions. One day, she attended a community gathering where the spiritual master was speaking. His presence was magnetic, and as he spoke about prayer in various settings, be it in nature, within the walls of a temple, or in the quiet of one's home, Elias felt a stirring within her. He emphasized that prayer was not confined to a specific place or form. It was an invitation to engage with the divine in whatever way resonated most with the individual. Elias learned that there was a distinction between atheism and agnosticism, concepts she had previously found confusing. Atheism, she understood, was the rejection of belief in any deity, while agnosticism embraced uncertainty, acknowledging that the existence of the divine was beyond human comprehension. This insight allowed her to appreciate the diverse perspectives on spirituality, including her own journey of exploration. As she continued her practice, Elias began to incorporate elements from her surroundings into her prayers. She would walk through the hills, offering gratitude for the beauty of nature, or sit by the river, reflecting on her life's journey. Each moment became an opportunity to connect, to elevate her experience of prayer beyond mere words. Through this journey, Elias discovered that prayer was not about seeking answers, but about embracing the questions, about finding peace in uncertainty, and about nurturing a relationship with the divine that was uniquely her own. In the quiet of her heart, she found a sanctuary where her spirit could soar, and in that sacred space, she realized that she was never truly alone.